Yo, what's up everybody? I just arrived to South Perth. South Perth is the place in Perth where is the zoo, Perth Zoo. Whoa, the bird is flying. But also many locals saying other side of the river. To get here I took of course the train and then the ferry, what is going every 15 minutes from Elizabeth Quay. I use the day rider ticket, what I usually do it every single day, cost me $10 only, but I can drive unlimited on the trains, buses, ferries and all of the stuff. Perth plans working very well here in Perth. I have to say I'm really happy with that and impressed how cool is this actually, to be honest. So that was very enjoyable, right? I'm gonna show you a little bit what's going on in South Perth. I'm not gonna go to zoo, but I wanna explore a little bit. There's some apartments, and that's the river, Swan River, obviously, and the panorama of the Perth city center, the business district skyline of Perth is over there. It's about 1 o'clock, so it's very sunny and pretty hot today. I definitely gonna work on the t-shirt on. Also, the time to cross the river is about 7-8 minutes, maybe less, maybe something like that, around 7-8 minutes. So it's very quick. And that's the boat actually over there. Okay, exploration time. If you are looking around the map, there's little peninsula connecting the two sides of the city. Across the river there's the bridge. I'm gonna explore a little bit around. I think I still have time and energy to do this. Maybe something interesting gonna be on the way. Also, I found out as many local people, there's local slang here saying too easy instead of yeah, alright, or something like that. And I just was thinking, why too easy, everything too easy? Now I know why is everything too easy, because simply everything is so easy here in Perth. Transportation, shopping, whatever you do, whatever I did in the past few days, there's no issue of anything, just simply too easy. Here is even like a little beach next to the river. Obviously this is not the ocean, that's the river here, and the skyline of the Perth city. So that's the skyline of South Perth. All of those buildings here, they're service apartments or luxury suites overlooking the river and the other side of the Perth. That's actually cool and extremely quiet here, so very enjoyable. I nearly arrived to the edge and just wanted to show you how calm everything is over here. Those apartments, if somebody lives there, that must be really oasis. Like nothing is going on, no noises. You don't even feel as you are nearby the city center. That's the Swan River, and obviously city center is just over there. There is the connecting bridge and the King's Park. So it's like a very central location, but so calm, like totally calm. And this is exactly how calm is it. There are some houses also here, and casually some people cycling, view of the city center, and this is already the edge. There is the bridge, some nature, gonna go around. For some of you, all of this may sound boring, but there are plenty of people who really do appreciate this calmness here. Considering as this is everything what I'm showing you is very near by the city center of Perth in Western Australia. So in my personal opinion, it's actually very impressive. Some little cool walk here. It's like a little reservoir or something like this, some little duck. I don't know what other snakes and other animals can be in this water, but over there is the view of the Perth city, and that's the bridge, what I saw it last time from the King's Park over there. All of this is South Perth foreshore walk. That's the apartments, houses, and also the train is going right now, and there's the old mill. I'm not sure if I can get closer to the mill, but looks good. This little thing is extremely interesting. I never saw it like this before. Take a book, give a book, share a book, and there are literally books over here. You can just take it. And one thing, people in Perth, they are so genuinely nice and friendly and helpful. I mean, I was just looking something on the Google Maps, some guy just coming, oh mate, how you doing? You need some help? You need direction or something like that? They said, yeah, actually, I just want to go around, and he just explained everything. Even he speaks few words in Polish, because obviously so many Polish people are living in Australia. So everything is just simply wonderful. I mean, I'm honestly really enjoying my time in Perth, Western Australia. Yeah, cool. There's some parking lot and little beach actually, city center, and the bridge is here, so I have to go under the bridge to go on the other side. Hello birdie, I think this is black pelican. Not sure though, I'm not that expert about the birdies, but looks cool. I don't know if it's pelican or not, you can let me know in the comment section. Whoa. He's climbing here. I think it's pelican. Wonderful Australia, right? You can find everything here. So cool. Beautiful birdie. Overall, genuinely very enjoyable place. Plenty of greenery, beautiful sky color, fresh air. Okay, now it's late autumn, nearly winter time, so it's a little bit cooler. But overall, I really enjoying. And it's very calm. Regarding the safety, I got scared a little bit of the bird. But after that, regarding the safety, I feel very safe here. I mean, well, I didn't go somewhere at night and midnight for some sort of dodgy areas here, but in generally, I didn't find anything disturbing, and generally, I feel very safe, just in case, if you ask. And I don't know if you realize it yet, but everywhere, but just literally everywhere, is so clean in the Perth. Even next to the river, when I was under the bridge on the river, where I filmed this bird, I don't know what's the name of the bird, it was just simply clean, not even single rubbish over there. You can feel autumn is coming very much when you see the trees with the leaves like this one. You are walking and leaves are everywhere. They make also specific sound when you step on them. And also there are some people who are cleaning them by the blowers. Seems like area is developing pretty well. There's some Indian cuisines over here, but also on the other side of the city there's a lot of constructions and brand new developments, and also some other establishments. I'm gonna back to the harbor, show you a little bit what is on the street side. And feels like they are building the another service apartments here overlooking the river. Still under the constructions. Interesting fact, how does it look like when they are doing this? There's some BP petrol station with the current prices. However, I drove somewhere and it was cheaper than on BP. Maybe because different price due to the city center. And a very nice Windsor building at the front, and overall situation on the street. Pretty enjoyable, I'm gonna tell you. One of the traffic junctions here, and the Hotel Windsor is here with the beautiful looking architecture and the restaurant. And that's like one of the strip of the with the restaurants going back to the harbor that direction. You can even find some bars and the cafes around. Very short strip. There is even the Thai massage here. I'm surprised, Thai massage in Perth. But yeah, you can find this. And they also have a mailboxes here in case if you would like to send a postcard, for example. Overall, feels like in the small street there you can find so many Thai establishments, even Thai restaurants and Indian. There are some over bars here and one bar here also overlooking the river and the city. And this is the harbor, so I'm gonna go across the river and then I will see you on different location because I have a few other things to show you today. And also one thing what I really like it over here is that this is the harbor, little harbor crossing the river, and there are so many tables where you can just chill, enjoy your meal or whatever, just take a rest. This is something what I really like. Alright, so we are going to Optus Stadium right now, and I have an opportunity to using the red card free buses. Actually, some of you told me, and I just find out also, as in Perth you have a free buses, so you can drive around. There are few different lines, red, blue, green, yellow. You can go around Perth for free. That's actually super cool. The driver have a break, so I got opportunity to film a little bit, going to Optus Stadium, showing you a little bit around. Why not? So that was the bus over there, and there is the river and the Optus Stadium over there. We're gonna cross this bridge. I'm now with my mate Mick. How you doing? Feel a little bit tired, I don't know why, but still have energy to go there. That's definitely must see. So that's the bridge up to Stadium over there, and also there are some apartments, something, Crown Hotel, and the casino and all of this stuff is also there in Perth, and that's the Swan River in general. So we're going to cross the sensational bridge. Looks actually pretty cool, beautiful place to stroll around. So we're gonna cross the bridge. I just wanted to tell you, as that's actually pretty cool architecture. Overall vibe is very quiet, so that makes sense. Some people saying as this is great place for a living in Western Australia in Perth, because some people after work just simply wanna have this quiet, this peace everywhere. Not mentioned this beautiful sunset. Now this is on the middle of the Swan River. There's another bridge and we're going to the stadium. Just in case if you're interested where we are, this is the Matagaru Bridge, something like that. Little bit of the history and why is there like this one shape and everything. You can just pause it and read it in case if you're interested. And there I hear music. Also those people are gonna do the zip line across the bridge, across the river, which is actually cool. I didn't even know you can do a zip line here. Seems like good fun. And here we go, that's a beautiful shot of the Optus Stadium. Check this out, there's like a little jetty as well. I also want to show you one of more shots of the sunset from the Swan River, and of course the bridge. So the bridge is over there. In the background you can see the Central District and Elizabeth Quay behind this towers and the Sunset Stadium. Of course there is no football match today, so it's very quiet, and there is some nice looking restaurant bar. We're gonna have a look. That's inside the bar. As you can see, it's huge. Not so busy though, but the place is huge, and they have also sitting area inside, outside. Just wanted to show you, but some people coming in actually. And this is the bar from outside. Some people actually enjoying the time, the beautiful view of the bridge, panorama of the Perth city sunset, and of course the footy stadium, Optus. Very cool place, very enjoyable. Still Thursday afternoon, so it's not even weekend yet. Very cool indeed, and beautiful colors like this, and this is like beautiful shot. All right, it's time for some nice looking pizza. Eventually in Perth, Western Australia, I have to try some cider and the last view of the beautiful sunset over here. Interesting is, as even there is no just regular day, no football match, no nothing, but all the lights in the stadium and everything is on. Overall, it's so beautiful, so clean, so bright. And there is the bridge. Bridge is changing color. Recently it's green. I'm gonna show you. It's a little bit dark, but I wanna tell you there's like a picnic facilities. There are some benches. This is the bar where we were. This is the main gate, the entrance. You can walk everywhere around. There is the river. There is the big screen. So if you're not gonna get the tickets, you can just sit here having a drink, watch it, skyline of the city of Perth and the bridge. Everything simply is very nice here. Like really well designed. And there's the bridge. Bridge is changing colors all the time. Currently it's green and orange. And here is some little jetty. Even at night it's open and everything is just clean and nice. Just really impressed about the stuff. And also just right now the people doing the zip line. They are starting from the top of the bridge, going somewhere there, under there, from the river somewhere there. I'm not sure, I cannot see, it's so dark, but I heard how they're screaming actually, and that's how does it look like. And now it's actually the most beautiful colors, like a rainbow. They're changing the colors, like I said. It's pretty cool bridge. Alright, that was very lovely day today in Perth. South Perth at the beginning, and then the Opium Stadium area, waiting for the free bus right now. And some of you may be boring a little bit, but for me, to be honest, it's really enjoyable, and I believe many of you guys gonna agree with me. Now, so don't finish the day too early, I'm gonna go to Northbridge, see how's the situation over there. I'm gonna visit a little bit.
Estimated to depart in 11 minutes. Route Red Cat to Outram Street or Street is estimated to depart in.
This Northbridge. Apparently we arrived to the Northbridge. Yeah, let's see what we can find here today. So we are in Northbridge. There are some kids. Mick is talking with some guy here. No, I'm not sure what's going on here, but apparently not that much. But yeah, that's how does it look like. Yo, bro, you have a very interesting friends here.
Real dangerous, hey?
Okay, let's see what we can really find here in Northbridge. We have some nightclub scene here. The nightclub, some people chilling. I don't know what's going on here actually. Pretty not much. Pretty sleepy, I could say. Yeah, I like this. Actually, very quiet, sleepy. That's a DoubleTree by Hilton, by the way. There's some shops here. You could, you know, what the hell? I'm not going inside. No shit. And then you have, you know, stuff. I hope so. YouTube not gonna remove my video after this showing you. And there are no lady boys in Perth, huh?
There's a couple.
cafe, a Japanese restaurant here. I think it's Japanese. And overall, that's the nightlife scene in Perth, in Northbridge recently. Is something going on here? There are some people on the street. So yeah, that's how does it look like. Some chilling on the street, and yep, that's the Northbridge recently. Just in case if you haven't been here for a while, I just wanted to show you old Shanghai. This one actually looks nice place to have something to eat. This is like a hawker center or something with the stars. That's actually cool. Yeah, like a hawker center, isn't it? Yeah, like a hawker center. That's actually a cool place to eat. So there's some screen and some bar here, but really not so busy. And overall, this is the Northbridge. Recently, this kebab shop, time zone. You can play the games with kids. And yeah, basically like this one. So this is like a little roundabout. And here is the Irish pub. So actually the most interesting thing what I realized and I found out here is this old Shanghai with the little hawker center where you have a Chinese, taste of Asia, Indian, noodle. It's like a proper hawker center with the many options for eating. This one is actually probably, I think, the most interesting here in Northbridge right now. Alright, so that was the Northbridge and overall my day in Perth. The music is playing right now from the speakers here. I got my Red Bull and I'm still a little bit tired today. It's a pretty long day. I wanted to show you as much as possible. Tomorrow I'm traveling somewhere outside of the Perth, but still in Western Australia. So you're not gonna be disappointed if you come back tomorrow. I hope so. You're watching every single day, especially when I'm in Australia right now. Thanks so much for watching, listening. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care.